Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna. Today we are doing an unboxing of the Sephora VIB stuff that I bought during the sale that just passed this spring. And I am going to start with the, I don't even remember what it is. It's been like a month. But you guys saw everything's been sitting and piling, and I've been waiting for my room to get ready before I opened everything. But I did open one box and I didn't film it because I wanted to use them right away. And that was the, I'm going to say it wrong. I know it right now. Sorry. I'm like recently into the club here. The VIB Gold Lust Shampoo Conditioner, the Moisture Cream, and the Wave and Shine Spray. Now, the story with this is my mother bought me as a gift the mini set. I'll put a picture of it right here. It has a shampoo, conditioner, and a dry texture spray. And I use nice stuff. I use the Briogeo, and I've been using for a year, you know, and all that stuff. And people always compliment my hair. My hair was garbage and compared to how it feels after using this. After one time, I couldn't believe how my hair felt. Like I literally couldn't believe it. And I'm like, what is this magic in a bottle? And where has this been my whole life? And then of course I go on Sephora and I see the price of it and I died a little inside. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait till the Sephora sale and go from there. That being said, I bought this like a month ago and obviously I haven't used it. They're still in here. The only one I took out was the moisture cream because that one I wanted to use. But the small bottles are still in my bathroom and my shower and they last a really long time. What I really love about like this line, okay, the shampoo and conditioner are fantastic. The moisture cream is out of this world. I mean, I just blow dried my hair. So as you can see, it's got like, I mean, it's not frizzy or anything, but you know, when it comes to really short pieces, you know, it's sometimes there's a little bit of a crimp, which is fine because I usually go back and curl my hair anyways. But if I could like grab your hand through the TV so that you could touch my hair, I would do it. If I ever met you in person, I would do that to you because I've been doing to everybody in my life, my nieces, my husband, my mother. I'm like, feel my hair, feel my hair. I can't get over how soft it is every single time I use it. It's not that honeymoon period where like the first time you use your shampoo and it's good and then you get sucked into it. No. This is like the 10th time now. So I've been having the best hair days of my life stuck in my house because I can't go anywhere. It is super expensive. However, I recommend, you know what, if you can, for like 60 bucks, if you can get that small set, then save it for like special occasions. When you really need your hair to be just like really super glossy and smooth and all that kind of stuff, then I'd say, you know what, that's better, okay, than to do that. I would never tell anybody to go buy a $65 shampoo, but, or however much it is, like I don't even know because I don't remember, I blocked it out. But I know it's worth it and a little goes a long way. And it smells like I can't describe the smell. It just smells bougie. It smells like YSL, like opium or something like that. Like something just really she. So that's one thing I got at the Sephora sale that I highly recommend. But it is on the higher end. But at least you feel like you understand why it's expensive. So that's okay. So I'm actually going to dive into the first box here. And I always love this because it's been so long and I don't remember what's in here. Oh yeah. Pat McGrath Mini Lust Gloss Lip Gloss Trio. Yeah, one of these guys. That comes with all that glitter. Okay. Why the sequins though? What little kid thing is it that comes with all those little sequins and stuff? LOL. My nieces were obsessed with those. What a mess those made. Okay, so here we go. These are the 3 of them right here. These were actually on sale and then the 20% off. This is Flesh 6, Love Potion, and Sunset Rose. And I don't have any of these. Anytime these little mini trios go on sale, I pick them up. I think I have like now 9 of these. I'm gonna do a quick little swatch of these. Sunset Rose, that one does sound familiar. I love Pat McGrath lip glosses. They feel amazing. They are not goopy. And I'll put the names right next to them. Really nice. And I find, you know what, it's best just to get the minis unless you really love a gloss. How could you ever go through, like finish a whole one? Okay, so that was great. Next thing I got here is something from Beauty Blender. What is this? It's small. Why is it so small? It was a cute little package for it. Comes with a black one. And what I think I really wanted about this was the soap. something so I could like wash my brushes and my beauty blender. And I liked how it was all in here. Oh, and it's got something back here so it can actually breathe a little bit. Oh, there's more in here, I think. Oh yeah, there is. And there's the thing so you can actually wash the brushes too. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. So it all stays in here. Oh, there you can see how it's perforated. Yeah. So the sponge can at least, while you're traveling, can stay, you know, cool and like, I don't know, dry, I guess is the word I'm looking for. Very nice. That's kind of why I wanted it. It was the same price as a beauty blender. I think it was $26. And the fact that you were getting the soap, which I needed anyways, in a little bag, so that I figured that was kind of a good deal, plus the 20% off. The other thing I got was, why did I buy this? I have makeup erasers. Oh my God. They get me with like the print and everything. It's the makeup eraser kit here, and it's the tropical ones. I'll open it up, I'll show you guys here. You know, they're reusable, machine washable, all that kind of stuff. This is it here. I mean, it's cute, this little thing, but I have the lemon ones. I think I did that in an unboxing from Sephora with you guys too. And this is them there. Okay, it's cute. Okay, the lemon ones are like rectangle, but this is kind of, and these feel bigger. These are bigger. Okay, I don't mind so much now. That's all. Oh, what's this? Oh, a thing to put it in so you can wash them. Okay, now I know why I bought this. Now I remember why. So you stuff them all in there and then you throw this into the wash. Yeah. And I was just thinking the other day, I was like, do I have to buy one from Amazon now? How am I supposed to wash all these things? Okay. Okay, I forgive this purchase. And one last thing. Oh, I must have used my points on this. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, their mascara, which I don't think I've ever tried, but I know I have one. This little guy right here. And that's gonna go in the little pile. And on to the next box. Oh, that's right. Oh my gosh, now I remember what I got. Yep. This was the first thing that I ordered from there. This is the Anastasia Diamond Lip Gloss. Let me pull this one out so I can show you guys. This was part of their new collection where they had the highlighter and the lip glosses. Oh my, that's really something. That looks beautiful. It's, I don't know, on the camera it looks very like goldy. It's stark white. That's like, you know, it's a blue white. It's blue. Wow, that's nice. I don't want to go over and ruin the tip on that. But I did just do a review on the L'Oreal True Match, the new foundation, like the new improved formula one. And so I'll link that up here. You know, this and the highlighter that I have would be great for like a no makeup day where you just have like some really nice flawless skin and then just some highlight. So this is it here. Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. Iced Out is what it's called. I held off on getting this, even though it looked really beautiful, but it was expensive. Like, it was expensive. And I don't know, I hadn't bought anything in a while. Oh, wow. Yeah, that is nice. That has a bit of the champagne in it. It is different than this. Like, I'm putting them side by side. Actually, you know what? It isn't. Actually, you know what? The LED lights are making it seem like when I'm looking at it here, like it's very white. But you know what? Yes, they do complement one another. That would make sense. Hopefully that was in focus for you guys, but it's a really nice color. So I gotta use that some other time. I got here, what is this? Wonder Beauty On the Glow Blush and Illuminator. Okay, I don't remember this. This is interesting. It must have been on sale if I was to sit there and get something by Wonder Beauty. Oh, okay. Oh, Nude Glow. So we have this part up here. You can focus on it, yep. And then this side, let's not ruin it already, is Petal Pink. Oh, that's a very nice pink. So it's kind of got both in one. Yeah, it must have been on sale. And my rationale, I think, was I wanted to try more Wonder Beauty. Love the foundation. And the eyeliner that I have is really great. And I just used one of their eye palettes the other day that I got in a BoxyCharm. And it was wonderful. And it worked so well. And I was like, okay, I need to try more of them. So I think that's why I bought that. And then we have this, which I hope is not going to end up in a regrets makeup video 2021. It could. It's probably going to be under the most expensive makeup I bought 2021. You guys can already tell what it is. I bought this one. I don't know if it's because I have all the other Natasha Denona ones or what possessed me to get this, The color story is gorgeous. This is heavy. You know what the thing is with this? I have her other really expensive ones too, a few of them, like the matte one, the safari one, the tropical one. But this one was like only 20% off. Like I've never spent that much on one of her palettes before. Okay, that's really beautiful. And I feel like it's bigger than the other ones. It's the Natasha Denona Circo Loco palette. And we're both gonna, whoa, my goodness me. Okay, now I'm starting to understand why I bought it. That is really, this color right here, Snow Cone, that's where my eye is going. Yeah, okay, the camera's picking it pretty true to color. Yep. Look at those oranges. What, who, when, where? All the W's. I don't know when. I can see me using like this, even this nice green, that Acrobat. Look at that. Obviously, I'm gonna have to do a video on this and I will swatch it there. I almost don't want to touch it right now. I just kind of like want to look at it. But I really love the outside, really matches what's happening in the inside. It is definitely giving me like Cirque du Soleil vibes. Her shimmers are out of this world. So you don't have to necessarily use this whole palette to do your whole look. You know, do your look with whatever, and then come in here for that pop of shimmer on the lid that you need. Like that's what I'm planning on doing with this. Like I can't, like there's hardly any mattes. Where are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What am I doing with this row of mattes? Like, where's my transition? Okay, it just won't work that way, but that's fine. Let's swatch a couple. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of Snow Cone, and let's do something like this one, Act. Look at this purple, oh my gosh. Like I went in, but I could have gone harder, but I didn't wanna like destroy the thing. Oh boy, sorry, giving you guys the finger again. Are you focused? Yeah. Okay. The purple one, I really did go in light, but that top one, yeah, I definitely got enough on there. Wow, that's so nice. But at the same time, I've seen, you know, swatches like that, similar colors, at least to that silver one, you know, in a color pop. But that being said, that's not quite a silver. It has that little bit of like cyan in it. Okay, so that is really something. So I can't wait to dive into that. That's gonna be amazing. I'm so glad I opened all of these because I've been dying to try the Anastasia and the lip gloss. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. Please let me know down in the comments, what did you guys pick up from this year's sale? What have you been loving? I told you guys I'm obsessed with the hair stuff and I gotta try all this stuff. And of course, I'll let you know how that goes. And yeah, that's, you know, that's everything that I can say right now about what I got. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. YouTube should be recommending to you some other videos of mine that I know you're gonna like. I have a lot of other unboxings, makeup tutorials, a lot of foundation reviews that have come out, drugstore and Sephora. Go check them out. Hope you and your families are doing well. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye everyone.